What if you could increase your e-commerce sales consistently without ads, influencer, or cold outreach starting this week? Look, if you're spending thousands on Facebook ads or paying influencer, you already know the problem. The moment you stop paying, the sales stop. Hey, I'm Tom, and I'm about to show you the multi-account organic strategy that e-commerce brands are using to build visibility across Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And here's what we'll cover. First, how to set up your multi-account ecosystem to promote your brand organically. Second, the exact positioning strategy to appear where customers are already searching. And third, how to scale this system so it runs on autopilot. By the end, you'll have a replicable method to increase your e-commerce sales 24/7 without spending a dollar. So let's dive in. Alright, step 1 is building your account structure. You're going to create multiple accounts across Twitter, X, and YouTube, plus your main brand account on LinkedIn. Not to spam, but to position your brand strategically where your customers already spend time. And here's how it works. LinkedIn is where your official brand presence lives, but since LinkedIn is ID verified, you can create multiple accounts without risking ban. Instead, your LinkedIn presence is you as the founder. And this is actually more powerful because people connect with founder and not faceless company. So that's where you'll share your journey, insight, and product updates. Fully transparent. Then, this is where the strategy gets interesting. On Twitter and YouTube, you'll create 3 support accounts per platform that look like an independent voice. Think of this as your brand ambassador, but they don't publicly say they work for you. And why? Because when someone sees multiple independent people talking about a brand, it creates a massive social proof. So the total structure will be 3 Twitter accounts, 3 YouTube accounts, and 1 LinkedIn account with a total of 7 accounts. On the support account, add bio, pictures, and some thread for Twitter accounts, because it will show that they are not random bot accounts. Okay, now let's talk about where to actually use this account to increase sales. With the step 2. Step 2 is positioning your brand where your customers are already searching. This is what I called the echo mention strategy. Instead of posting content and hoping people find you, you support find conversation where people are actively looking for solutions. And this is how it works. Every day, search for keywords on Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube where people are asking for recommendation. Do a list of 10 to 15 keywords your potential customer use in their post. My pro tip is to also go on your competitor account, check their publication, and see which keyword they use in their publication, because they already do the job to find which keywords are interesting to post about. Now let's take a clear example with Lumi, that is a beauty skincare brand. With this example, we can see some of keywords that can be clear skincare recommendation, skincare routine, best beauty product, sensitive skin, non-toxic skincare, etc. Those are keywords that are typed by your customer and by people interested about this topic. What you'll have to do now is to type those kind of keywords on LinkedIn and X, like this one. You go on the search bar, you filter by the latest, and now you are looking for posts where someone is actively asking for help. And for YouTube, you have to search for videos that talk about skincare routine or skin concern. And we can see that, like about 5 minutes ago, we found a post about someone that have a very sensitive skin. And this is a post that is really interesting for Lumi, because Lumi is a skincare brand that help with this kind of problem. Now you support account comment, but here's the structure. The part 1 is to add value first, and then is to mention your brand naturally. So with the post we found, we can comment something like this, like simplicity is key for sensitive skin. I've tried dozens of brands that overcomplicate routines. I switched to Lumi 3 months ago. Just 3 products with natural active, 0 irritation. My skin actually looks better now. We first give value, and after we mention the name of the brand. Now imagine this across different platforms. To anyone discovering your brand, it looks like multiple independent people are talking about it. That's organic social proof at scale. Each support account have to comment 5 to 10 times per day on relevant posts. across 6 support accounts, that's 30 to 60 strategic mentions daily, all positioning Lumi, the brand, in front of people actively searching about it. Now let's scale this without spending hours every day. Step 3 is turning this into a system that runs on autopilot. Because manually finding posts, switching account, and commenting can take up to 2 hours, maybe 3 hours daily. That works if you have time, but if you want to scale this and focus on increasing your e-commerce sales, we built a tool that automates everything. It's called Comention. And Comention monitor all platforms 24/7, find posts with those keywords, and automatically leave strategic comments mentioning your brand. And every comment follows the value first structure we saw before. And the result, your brand show up in 40 to 60 plus high intent conversation like we see in Twitter every single day, completely on autopilot, while you're sleeping or fulfilling order. Comention is building your organic visibility, and because each comment adds value and your account looks independent, you'll never trigger spam filter. There is a link in the description where you can test it for 3 days, and no credit card is required. And let me quickly show you how it works. It's really simple and fast. The first step you'll have to do is to go into the Comention website and sign up for an account. Then you'll be redirected into the account section where you can connect all of your accounts. To connect an account, it's simple. You have to download the Chrome extension and the connection will be automatic. You don't have to show your password or any 2FA. Once you've connected your account, you'll have to go into the brand tab, and this is where you'll add the brand you want to recommend. So it's very simple. You add the brand name, you choose the type of the brand, and you fill out all the information here. This information will be used in the comments, so be sure to use correct information. Once you have entered all the information, you'll have to go into the workflow because this is where you will set up all the comments. So here you can click add new workflow, but I have already one. Here you can name your workflow, select your account, if this is LinkedIn, X or YouTube. Select the brand here. You can select a time zone, also the language you want to comment on. Then you can choose the tone, the formality, the question frequency if you want to add question. If you want to add CTA like DM me or go check out my profile, this is where you have to choose this. You can also use emoji and the comment length of your comment. And this is where you'll have to choose the perspective we talk about. But here you don't have to choose owner for X and YouTube, but user, because it will comment as a user recommending your brand. You choose user here. Then here, this is where you have to add all the keywords you manually targeted. So you can add sensitive skin. Then you can enter. If the keyword have enough daily volume, it will be validated into the system. And then you can choose how many comments you want to make per day. And you can make up to 50 comments per day per account. Then you create the workflow and it will start commenting. And you'll be able to see into the mention tab all the comments you've made. You can see how many likes, how many replies, and how many views per comment you make. And the goal is to, when you have a reply, go open the conversation and start replying, or you can also DM the people that answered to you. But whether you automate or do it manually, the strategy is the same. So now let's recap everything. The step 1 will be to set up your multi-account ecosystem with the founder account and 6 support account. The step 2 is to use the eco-mention strategy, find high intent conversation where people are searching for products like yours, then comment with value first and mention your brand naturally. It will create organic social proof, and then repeat this daily. And step 3 will be to start manually and then automate everything with Comention. And the result, you go from relying on paid ads to building compounding organic visibility that increase your e-commerce sales consistently. And now, here how to get started. Start by setting up 2 to 3 support accounts. Test the eco-mention strategy manually for 1 week. Find your best keyword, identify what works, refine your commenting approach, track which accounts get the most engagement, and once you see it working, and you will, scale it with Comention. And if this video showed you a new way to increase e-commerce sales without ads, hit that like button and subscribe. We break down strategy like this every week. I'll see you in the next one.